One of the biggest challenges facing us as a society today is to diminish our reliance on non-renewable fossil fuels. I come from a background in chemical synthesis, and as opposed to drilling oil out of the ground and transforming this into medicines such as paracetamol, ibuprofen, what we're doing in this research is encoding these molecules into a living organism and having this organism produce these compounds from renewable feedstocks such as carbohydrates, such as carbon dioxide or waste materials. So the environmental impact of this research can be quite dramatic. To take one example, we're currently working on replacing a petrochemical process with a bio-based alternative. If we're successful in doing this, it will have the same environmental effect as replacing every car in the UK with an electric car. So this work is supported through a UK Government Future Leaders Fellowship, which is offered through UKRI. It's a 7-year programme that's designed to tackle really long-term, ambitious research programmes. As a result of this, we have been able to grow our team quite quickly, and we've moved into some newly refurbished lab space at the University of Edinburgh.